beauties, how are you all doing today? I hope you're fabulous and I hope you are staying safe. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I want you to join the beauties by subscribing and sharing and liking my videos. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the detox water. You can call it tummy water. Many people call it tummy water, and this is what has really helped me in my weight loss journey. So it's a simple and very short tutorial I'll be doing today. You'll just need 4 ingredients, which is lemon, cucumber, ginger, and mint leaf. I don't have mint leaf, but you can add it up in this recipe. Most of the times I use just cucumber and lemon. So without much ado, let's move into the tutorial. I took it all through my breastfeeding period, and it helped me to get rid of my belly fat. So if you're breastfeeding and you're wondering if this is safe to take, I took it. I don't know about you. If you're not sure about it, then don't take it, but I took it and it was safe. I didn't have any problems whatsoever. On the contrary, I got rid of my belly fat very fast. So it's very safe to take it, guys. It's safe. It's okay to take it as much as you want, because we just drop the ingredients into the water and the water extracts what it needs from the ingredients. So guys, let's just move into the tutorial. First thing, before I do my detox water, I usually squeeze out the juice from the lemon into the green tea. So this is the first thing I take every morning before I start drinking the detox water. Green tea helps in breaking down excess fats. If your goal is weight loss and clear skin, you will need to drink at least 2 liters of water a day. So I start up by measuring the water into this gallon, as you can see me carrying, before I go ahead to put in the components. We need a medium size of ginger. Ginger decreases inflammation, stimulates digestion, and as such, it promotes weight loss. And we need 1 lemon, but I'd already squeezed out the juice in the green tea. You can just put the lemon in the water like that, but I usually take it out to do the tea. And cucumber, half cucumber, depending on the size of your cucumber. Cucumber promotes hydration. Cucumber also has antioxidants that may help treat and even prevent some conditions. As such, it is very important in this recipe, so you want to always consider using cucumber in your daily routine. I go ahead to cut it up. I don't peel it up because I believe that there are some nutrients found in the peels, but you want to ensure a thorough cleaning of this cucumber. And I just cut it up into pieces like this and drop it into the water. You can do this, many people do this overnight and they drink it throughout the day, but I prefer doing it in the morning because I like the freshness of the water. When you do it overnight, it takes out a lot of nutrients and sometimes it becomes bitter. I don't like the bitter taste, honestly. Lemon peels are known to promote weight loss and may slow down fat accumulation. This is because they contain pectin fiber, which may help in weight loss by making you feel full for longer. Thus, the reason why I use the lemon juice first before I use the lemon peels. That way, I ensure that I get all the nutrients both from the juice and from the lemon peel. But it's optional, you can just use the lemon like that. Because I'm not boiling these ingredients, I'll go ahead to peel the ginger. You remember the last tutorial I did of weight loss, I didn't peel off the ginger because I had to boil it. I'm going to leave a link of that tutorial. If you haven't watched it, please watch it. You can take that one with this one for a faster result. And as we know, ginger reduces hunger. So if one of the ways you losing weight is by fasting. You want to add up ginger into this recipe because while you're drinking the water, it will make you feel full and thus promote weight loss. So please always use ginger. Ginger is so good. If you have mint leaves, you can wash about 10 leaves and just drop it into this water, and this is what we have for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed for more weight loss tips and beauty tips. I had fun doing this video. Thank you. I'm going to see you in my next. Bye. Enjoy your detox water, guys.